In the year 681 BC, the Neo-Assyrian Empire stood on the edge of collapse. Its king, Sennacherib, lay murdered, not by foreign enemies, but by his own sons. And from the chaos that followed would rise one of the most complex rulers in ancient history. This is the story of Esarhaddon. Esarhaddon was not meant to be king. He was the youngest son in a brutal royal family, where survival depended on ambition and betrayal. The throne was supposed to pass to Sennacherib's eldest son, Ashur-nadin-shumi, but when he was captured and executed in 694 BC, the line of succession fractured. The next heir was Arda-mulissu, the second eldest son. But in 684 BC, Sennacherib made a decision that would seal his fate. He chose Esarhaddon instead. For Arda-mulissu, this was unforgivable. In 681 BC, together with another brother, Nabu-sharu-usur, he assassinated their father and attempted to seize the throne. Esarhaddon, suddenly a target, was forced into a desperate struggle for survival. What followed was a 6-week civil war. Brother fought brother. Cities chose sides. The empire teetered. But against all odds, Esarhaddon emerged victorious. He had won the throne, but the cost was immense. The betrayals scarred him for life. Esarhaddon would rule the empire with paranoia, plagued by fear of assassination, and haunted by the knowledge that even blood ties meant nothing. He trusted no one, not his officials, not his governors, not even his own male relatives. His palaces became fortresses, built outside major cities, designed not for luxury, but for survival. Yet in a remarkable shift, while Esarhaddon distrusted men, he empowered women. His mother, Nakia, and his daughter, Sheruah-etirat, wielded unprecedented political influence. For the first time in centuries, Assyrian royal women stood at the center of power, perhaps a reflection of a king who trusted family loyalty only where he believed it had never betrayed him. Despite illness, depression, and constant fear, Esarhaddon proved to be a ruler of extraordinary ability. He did what his father had destroyed. He rebuilt Babylon, restoring the city brick by brick after its devastating sack. This act alone earned him loyalty across Mesopotamia and reshaped Assyria's reputation, from destroyer to restorer. Then he turned outward. Esarhaddon led campaigns across Media, Persia, Elam, Anatolia, the Caucasus, the Arabian Peninsula, and the Levant. He enforced vassal treaties upon the Medes and Persians, extending Assyrian influence deep into Iran. But his greatest achievement came in 671 BC. Esarhaddon marched south and shattered the Kushite Empire, conquering Egypt and Libya. For the first time in history, Egypt fell fully under foreign rule, and the Neo-Assyrian Empire became the largest empire the world had ever seen. And yet, Esarhaddon knew power was fragile. Determined to avoid the chaos that had marked his own rise, he planned succession with care. He divided the empire between his sons. Ashurbanipal would rule Assyria, while Shamash-shuma-ukin would govern Babylon. When Esarhaddon died in 669 BC, the transition was peaceful, an extraordinary achievement in Assyrian history. Esarhaddon was a king of contradictions, a conqueror plagued by fear, a warrior who rebuilt cities, a paranoid ruler who trusted women to shape the empire's future. And though his reign was short and troubled, history remembers him as one of Assyria's greatest kings, the man who conquered Egypt and held an empire together after betrayal threatened to tear it apart. If you enjoyed this deep dive into ancient history, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more epic stories from the ancient world.